Under the blazing sun, the air pulsated with the rhythmic beat of drums, the piercing call of trumpets, and the resonant vibrations of strong strings. The soundscape was not just music but a declaration of bold, determined march symbolizing military prowess and the ceaseless expansion of the Egyptian Empire. Pharaoh Menkaure stood at the forefront of his legion, a powerful figure adorned in gold and lapis lazuli, his presence as commanding as the forces behind him. The soldiers, disciplined and unyielding, mirrored his demeanor. Clad in leather armor and gripping bronze-tipped spears, they moved as one, their footsteps creating a symphony with the music. Each beat of the drum resonated with their hearts, and every blast of the trumpet sent shivers down their spines, igniting their resolve. Among them was Enon, a young warrior with eyes as sharp as his blade. He embodied the hope and vigor of the newer generation. At the same time, seasoned veterans like General Khufu marched in step, their experience and scars adding weight to their presence. As they advanced, the parched desert gradually gave way to the lush, fertile lands that Pharaoh Menkaure aimed to claim. The music intensified, reflecting the army's growing anticipation and determination. Suddenly, the landscape transformed. They reached the Nile's banks, where the opposing enemy awaited. The drums pounded faster, matching the quickening pulse of anticipation. Trumpets blared, signaling the imminent clash. The strong strings vibrated with intensity, pulling back and forth like the tug of war about to ensue. The two armies faced each other, a palpable tension crackling in the air. Pharaoh Menkaure raised his arm, and in that moment, the music paused as if the entire world held its breath. Then, with a mighty shout, he brought it down, and the symphony erupted anew, accompanying the charge of his warriors. The sound was a force of its own, driving them to fight with unmatched vigor and belief in their destined victory. The battle was fierce, and the melodies woven by the instruments seemed to guide the fighters' every move, pushing back the enemy forces. At last, the enemy faltered, overwhelmed by the sheer might and resolve of Pharaoh Menkaure's army. With the sun setting, casting a golden hue across the battlefield, the remaining enemy forces retreated. For anyone captivated by the mystique of Pharaoh stories and the monumental history of ancient Egypt, subscribing to our channel ensures you're always in the loop with our latest content. Activate the notification bell to stay updated. If the video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We're eager to hear your favorite pharaoh tales or any queries about ancient Egyptian civilization. Your involvement and support fuel our passion to bring you even more fascinating stories. Thank you for being part of our journey.